This Align Right Realty International property video is presented by Snipes-Booker. Welcome to this beautifully and fully furnished one-bedroom, one-bath condo, first floor and unit located in the highly sought-after Burgundy 55-plus community. This charming home offers a maintenance-free lifestyle in a prime location near Downtown Bradenton, just a short 15-minute drive to the stunning Gulf beaches. The condo features tasteful decor, abundant natural light, and an enclosed porch accessible through sliding glass doors, perfect for relaxing or entertaining. Additional perks include an extra storage closet in the hallway and a second storage space on the porch. Set at the back of the complex, this home offers peace and privacy, while still being just steps away from the community grill, picnic area, and Greens of Manatee golf course. Burgundy is a pet-friendly community featuring lush landscaping, a heated pool, shuffleboard courts, clubhouse, laundry facilities, sidewalks, and frequent social activities. It's conveniently located near shopping, public transportation, and offers easy access to Sarasota. Whether you're seeking a winter retreat or full-time residence, this move-in-ready home is a perfect blend of comfort, convenience, and active lifestyle living. The unit is equipped with central air and heating, however, the owner is currently in the process of having the air conditioning repaired. Schedule your showing today. For more information, review the